We are celebrating National Olive Flutter Day over here at Temp-tations, and I gotta tell you, if you are counting down the days till spring, this is the pattern you're gonna wanna add to your collection. We're gonna start with our beautiful figural. What better way to send an homage to our butterfly than with a figural platter? So let's talk about the pattern a little bit. In this case, it's actually embossed. What does it mean? It means that that's actually raised, and you can hear my fingernails run around it. What's beautiful about that is there's a glass glaze that's layered on top of it that actually brings that pattern to a 3D dimensional look. So look at how beautiful that is. So you're gonna pick it up in either the pink, we have our beautiful lavender, we have our sweet little buttercream, and we also have our teal. So I love the idea if you're picking up more than one. Look how great, everything will nest and stack, so it's gonna take up literally no space, which is fantastic, but it's Temp-tations. So this platter actually goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can put it in the dishwasher, it can go in the fridge, it can go in the freezer, and if it fits, you can also put it in the microwave. For me, I love replacing that metal cookie sheet and using this platter in the oven for maybe my apps or things that I want to keep nice and warm. Absolutely perfect, a must-have. Then follow me up here because we're talking about 8 great must-haves. Have you seen our lantern? Love everything about this. Battery operated, beautiful pattern, and in this case we brought all of the colors together in almost like a stencil drawing detail of our gorgeous olive flutter. And I love the height on this, and I love the fact that it's battery operated, so you can check that out as well. We also have our mini loaf pans, 12 ounces in total capacity. You're gonna get 2. I'm gonna grab and borrow this guy and bring him over here. You're going to receive 2. Look how sweet, also in the multicolor. So I love the fact that you can pick up some of the solids, mix it in with the beautiful multi, and have a really fresh look on your spring table. So 12 ounces in total capacity, and mini loaves are perfect for maybe individual portions if you wanted to. It's little side dishes, you can use it, maybe put some gravy in there, put a ladle in there. So love, love, love our mini loaf pans. Then we also have our completer set. So we're gonna show you dinnerware in just a little bit, but how about our completer? Butterfly here on the handle actually works as your thumbprint. We're showing you the lavender here. There's your mini pitcher. You have your salt and pepper shakers, your covered butter dish, also with that darling butterfly as the finial, and then you go all the way over there to your sugar shell. So I love the fact that you're getting all of these great 5 key pieces that really complement the rest of your table. Of course, we have it in the lavender, we have it in the buttercream, and we have it in that gorgeous, gorgeous pink. We couldn't forget all of you bakers out there, so if you love your pie dishes, think about this as a little less than 2 quarts of a baker as well. So again, being able to put this in the oven up to 500 degrees naturally non-stick, so you can literally spray this and not have to spray it, not have to use butters or oils or any extra added fats. I always say if the recipe calls for a spray, use it, but the fact that you can put this under the broiler, you can put it in the microwave, the fridge, the freezer, and the dishwasher. Think side dishes in here, hot dips in here, and then of course every single pie that you want to make. We have covered ramekins also as another one of our must-haves, 8 ounces in total capacity. Look how sweet these are. Even if you never cooked in these and you actually use these on your dresser and put your jewelry in it, or maybe you left them in the powder room and put some cotton balls or different things in here, but of course they're sweet bakers as well. You could pick up 2 or 3 sets, and then these could be little individual soup bowls or little individual dessert bowls if you wanted to layer these in with the dinnerware that you've been collecting. And speaking of dinnerware, I love it. We showed you the completer set. Check out the dinnerware, a 12-piece set, and I have to tell you, each piece is absolutely stunning. So you're gonna have the 22-ounce bowls. You'll receive 4 of these. They have that ruffled edge that runs around the edges, and then that glass glaze saturated around, which not only gives you that color and that performance, but it also brings that pattern to life. So 4 of the bowls are included, 4 of the salad and dessert plates are included. Look at how sweet these are. And I love the fact that you have, of course, that detail, that nice wide rim that runs around the edges that actually frames the butterflies right there on the inside. And then your dinner plate is gonna match as well. So 4 of your 8-inch salad or dessert plates, and then take a peek at this. 4 of your 10.5-inch dinner plates. And these plates are great. We always love to say it's not just another pretty plate. You can put these plates in the oven, reheat a piece of pizza, put them in the microwave. Everything goes in the dishwasher, so you don't have to baby it. right? In and out of the dishwasher, in and out of the microwave. These pieces are meant to be used. They will become the workhorse pieces in your kitchen. And I love the fact that you can break these up, right? Maybe you don't want to use the full set, but you need 4 soup bowls, or you need oatmeal in the morning, or ice cream sundaes at night. Perfect. Or maybe you just want app plates and you're picking up multiple sets because you want 8 app plates or 12 app plates. You can kind of customize this, and then of course set the most beautiful spring table. And then, speaking of decorating your table, let's also tie that whole theme together with our oversized paper towel holder. I love this. If you're picking up those bulk ones, the big thick ones, that will fit as well. Just go ahead and unscrew that finial right here on the top, slide the paper towel, and then notice that it's also that same beautiful detailing, that same stoneware, and we have that beautiful wood dowel in the middle. This opening here is for when you pull the paper towel through. So again, all of those little thoughts and details that when I'm designing these products, not only do I want them to be beautiful, but I want them to be functional. And for over 21 years, I have been sharing this incredible brand with all of you. And what started out as like one baking dish that you can prep and cook and serve and store in has truly grown to an incredible lifestyle brand where you've loved and collected these beautiful patterns that are seasonal in this case. We only bring it in this time of year. Once it's gone, it's gone. You won't see it until this time next year. But if you want a fresh look, if you want to brighten up your space and you want to do it in an affordable way, adding these key pieces will do just that. So where can you find it all? Well, you can head over to temp-tations.com. You can check out the entire 8 must-haves in our All of Flutter as we celebrate National All of Flutter Day. And you can check out the colors as well as all of the details over at temp-tations.com. Happy spring, y'all.